Come from the windward side of Oahu. Please welcome K.B. Riley.
Hello everybody. How's it? I'd like to thank Kanakapila Grill for giving us this opportunity. And thank all the other bands, Point Street, Komaka, Simply Said, and Halama. All those guys are awesome. How about a big round of applause for them? Alright. First song I'm going to do for you folks is called Hokulea, Star of Gladness. Raindrops they hammer my bridges, coming down my calling in my mind. While we celebrate our time, from the knees out to the nation, down the side of my destination. All we can give, Okiama Tahiti. Here in the stars up in the sky, looking at the old time. Hokulea, star of gladness, gonna happen star. Hokulea, star of gladness. Stand beside me and be my friend, make me smile and laugh again on Hokulea, star of gladness, gonna happen star. Hokulea, star of gladness. Lift your boat, your heart stand to the sea. God Hokulea, Lord, as you be. This we pray, let show us the way. Hokulea, star of gladness, you're the happy star. Hokulea, star of gladness. That show us the way. Hokulea, star of gladness, you're the happy star. Hokulea, star of gladness.